My name is Candy Malia, and in the hip hop scene, underground scene, I'm known as B-Girl Candy. I'm Cindy Foley, and B-Girl Synergy for Rainbow Crew. Anybody can learn how to break. We're done over 60 workshops in about 16 different cities with this age group of toddlers. So if a toddler can learn how to break, an adult can learn how to break. In B-Baby Volume 1 Instructional, we break down the class, what you would normally see in a regular B-Baby class. So we start off with the warm-up, we have top rock, get downs, footwork, and power at the most basic level for the age group. So it's an instructional video, but it's an introduction to the dance at the most basic level. Have fun. Peace to you.
Peace to me.
Peace to everybody.